Hello, my name is Ali, and now I want to talk around the resistor. Resistor is an element which limited the current flow when we apply a DC voltage. Here we have 4 band resistors. Each color show a number. For example, brown show the number 1, black show the 0, and the red show the 2. So we put the number. Instead of brown, we put 1. Instead of the black, we put 0. Instead of the red, we put 2 number of the 0. Here we have 1 kilo ohm resistors. Another one, for example, yellow represent 4, violet 7, and red again 2 0. So we have at the fourth band show the tolerance. When we have the gold, it means that the number which we read have 5 tolerance, and silver show the 10% of the tolerance, and when we don't have any color, it showed that 20% colors. There is a note that's so important. For example, the background color. When we have a white background color and the blue background color, it's related to the resistor, which is fusible and non-flammable resistors. When something wrong in our circuit happens and the currents go up, the heat doesn't burn this, and we don't have any fire in our circuit. So when you want to replace a resistor with the background colors white and blue, don't replace them with the typical resistors. It can cause a lot of problem in a circuit, and maybe we have a fire in our circuit. So we have a simple circuit here. We use the resistors. So when we put the resistors here, the current controlled, and we don't have a problem. But if we don't have it, resistors, for example, and suddenly we can see that the LED damaged without resistors. So we put the resistors to control the follow. This already damaged, and we can't use it anymore.